Hello everyone, I'm here today with a unboxing of the Gaelio Schwalbe Graze. I'm not sure. It's Gaelio used this for a while, and then I believe he gave it to Ein. It's been a while since I watched it. And as with any P-Bandai kit, it is just simple and all single colored. I'm not sure if it's going to show up on camera, but it is a very light purple, violet. Let me see. And this looks like 3,000 yen. I got this off eBay for about 80 bucks. Not bad, but at least the shipping was free. Now in the box we have what looks like here, the seals. Pretty standard, it seems. You have all the armor pieces and the weapon right here. And I think these are frame parts. I've never actually built a Graze or Schwalbe Graze. It's going to be a unique experience for me. We have the more Graze armor parts, it seems, done in like this. It looks like a lavender with a blue tint or something. I'm not sure, but it looks really cool. And then the purple also looks pretty nice. I believe this is the same thing as the McGillis one. I'm not entirely sure. More of that color. And more, it looks like thrusters. I actually don't think there's anything unique in this kit, but I could be wrong. There's that cable for the claw. And the lancer weapon. Okay. It's like a nice gray. And I guess these are all the frame pieces and polycaps. Nothing interesting there. Then we have the instruction manual. Now, because this is a P-Bandai kit and essentially a recolor of McGillis, get the same instructions, I suppose. Like I said, I haven't built this particular version. Doesn't look like anything's different. And I guess these are the special instructions to, these are the special instructions exclusive to this version. Alright, looks like just build the lance and attach it on the gun by taking it apart. Alright, so that's what you will get with the Gaelio Schwalbe Graze. I am terribly sorry if I said any of that wrong. And I'm looking forward to building this actually, but who knows when I'll be done. Anyways, I hope you find this video helpful, and once again, this is the Gaelio Schwalbe Graze unboxing.